It's had so many in there. Look at that. It's like, what should you call this one? Is the unicorn? Coffee unicorn?
Coffee unicorn?
Oh, unicorn coffee date. What do you think?
So there
What
was
do you
a
think
coffee
though?
date?
Coffee date? Don't you think so? Oh my god, I love it. It's just so... I'm just doing half of it. You can add more. The reason I pick it out here so I can get some. Then it has... This one is packed with like glitter. You can do however you want it. I'm just having fun with this. Look, it's a coffee right there. You can do more coffee. Like, it's a whole pack of it right here. It's a lot of glitters and so beautiful. So if you, I'm gonna place, you can place it however. You can place your coffee and like the other ones we have, the coffee and unicorn. This is so stunning. I love it so much. This one, we got look. I am go ahead and clean the bristle, submerging back into...
Move over to the
right,
left.
to left.
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
I got you here.
Left. Okay. Left. I feel like it's not big enough. And this one is not big enough. Okay, not big enough. Sometimes it's big enough, so then we move it. Go ahead and clean the bristle, submerging back into the monomer. Pick up one is medium beads, is love potions, and place it a little bit above of the finishing line of the unicorn kiss. Really gentle using the belly and just guide it gently. Okay. You see that I just like really don't have to do a lot of work. It's just using the belly of bristle and guide it right in the middle of the nails. And then we are going to pick up the second, clean the bristles again, submerging back into the monomer. And then we are going to pick the second beads and tuck it in close to the cuticles. I like to do 2 beads. It's really depend on your personal preference. Sometimes, you know, 1 bead is good. Sometimes 2 beads is really go a long way because it's keep it 1 more step, but then it save you so much time from have to worry about the cuticle area and an ombre at the same time. All right, and then we are going to cap the ombre part. Cleanse my bristles, submerging back into the monomers and pick up the crystal clear. Places where is you can definitely cap it whole and tie the nails. It's just for your preference. If you just in case you're afraid of you are going to like a little bit heavy-handed to filing the cuticles and you're afraid if the cuticles might be over filed, so I would suggest you can do a really thin layer of the crystal clear as well, so then you can have it like completely capped and without worry about it's going to, you know, like take off a lot of the cuticles. They do it right.
There you go. Right there.
You know, it's funny because I didn't realize that I'm moving though. They say, hey, Nancy, back.
That is so adorable.
Unicorn coffee. All right. So taper it in the side. And this using the belly of bristles and just, you know, remove the excess powders as you don't want it. And then you can do, it's gonna dry absolutely when you finish like the 10 nails or the 5 nails or whatever it is. It looks so cute, huh? Here, get closer. Here's a camera right there, Mika. So cute.